You've seen the movies. You've marveled at the spectacle. But have you ever wondered who's behind the magic? Who brings Hollywood's biggest blockbusters to the dazzling screens of Neon NZ? Let's dive deep into the ownership of this cinematic powerhouse. Neon NZ is a major player in the New Zealand film industry. They're the ones responsible for bringing us those epic Marvel movies, the heart-pounding action flicks, and the tear-jerking dramas that keep us glued to our seats. But who are the brains behind this cinematic empire? Ownership structure. Now, here's the thing, Neon NZ isn't a standalone entity. It's actually part of a larger global network. Roadshow Films, Neon NZ is a subsidiary of Roadshow Films. Village Roadshow, Roadshow Films itself is a division of Village Roadshow, a sprawling entertainment conglomerate. Village Roadshow, a glimpse into the giant. Village Roadshow is a true entertainment behemoth. They're not just about movies. This Australian-based company has its fingers in many pies, including cinemas. They own and operate a significant number of cinemas across Australia and New Zealand. Think luxurious recliner seats, state-of-the-art sound systems, and the ultimate movie-going experience. Theme parks. If you've ever experienced the thrills of Warner Brothers Movie World on the Gold Coast, you've encountered a piece of the Village Roadshow empire. Gaming. They're also involved in the gaming industry, developing and distributing exciting new titles. The global reach. Village Roadshow isn't just an Australian player. They have a significant global presence, with interests in various entertainment sectors worldwide. This global reach allows them to leverage their influence and bring the biggest Hollywood blockbusters to New Zealand screens. The impact on the New Zealand film industry. Neon NZ plays a crucial role in the New Zealand film industry. Bringing blockbusters to the masses, they bring the latest and greatest Hollywood movies to audiences across the country, ensuring that New Zealanders have access to the most exciting cinematic experiences. Supporting local talent. While primarily focused on international films, Neon NZ also supports local filmmakers and productions, showcasing the talent within New Zealand. The future of Neon NZ. As the film industry continues to evolve, so too will Neon NZ. With the rise of streaming services and changing consumer habits, it will be interesting to see how this cinematic powerhouse adapts and continues to thrive in the years to come. So, there you have it. Neon NZ, the company that brings Hollywood magic to New Zealand, is a subsidiary of Roadshow Films, which in turn is part of the larger Village Roadshow entertainment conglomerate. With said, thanks for watching, and until next time.